Monotony is the silent killer of the soul, a slow fade into the routine. But adventure demands you twist the throttle and live. Out here on the open road in Vietnam, every challenging mile is a test that strips away the noise, making room for pure freedom and profound self-growth. You share the grit with your mates, forging an unbreakable brotherhood on every curve. Stop waiting for life to start and answer the call to the ride. Join us for your epic Vietnam motorcycle tour in 2026.